Hi fellow Odovers, welcome to the Odo Informative channel of Alkitma Systems. In some scenarios, we may not be able to perform some actions or features we require with Odo. The feature we are looking for sometimes may not be available as a default Odo feature. So, to handle such situation, we need to create modules which suffices our requirement. In this video, I am explaining you about one such module which Alkitma Systems has been developed. These modules are available for public in the Odo App Store. Today, we are discussing about one such scenario where Odo merge purchase order helps to minimize the efforts. You may choose to create a completely new quotation or merge other commands into the existing quotation. The individual quotation for purchase may be picked to be automatically cancelled once the quotation has been merged. We have named this module Merge Purchase Order and is available in Odo App Store. Ensure you check the publisher name as Alkitma Systems. So now let's move into the module and we'll see how it works. First, we can select the purchase module. Here, from the tree view, we can select two or more purchase order as RFQ of the same vendor. We can select purchase order 21 of vendor Assure Interior. Here you can see the product is corner desk right seat of one quantity. And we can choose purchase order 22. Here vendor is the same Assure Interior and the products are storage box of 3 quantity and corner desk of 1 quantity. We can select these two purchase orders, purchase order 21 and purchase order 22, and we can select the action button and we can select the merge order. Here we can see a wizard. In this wizard we can see a selection field merge tag. We can select this. Here you can see two options. First one is create new order and cancel all selected purchase orders. We can select it. Then we can select. After selection, we can click the merge orders. Here you can see the purchase order 21 and 22 are cancelled and a new purchase order 25 is created. We can select it. Here you can see a new purchase order of created of vendor Assure Interior and products are storage box and corner desk right seat, storage box 3 quantity and corner desk of 2 quantity. Then we can select the other case. First we can select RFQ of same vendor. First purchase order 23, we can check the purchase order. Vendor Deco Addict and products are large cabinet of 3 quantity and storage box of 1 quantity. Then we can select purchase order 24. Vendor is same Deco Addict. Then the products are corner desk right of quantity 2. Then we can select purchase order 23 and purchase order 22 and click the action button and select the merge orders. Here we can select the second option, merge order on existing selected order and cancel others. Then we can select a purchase order. The purchase order 24 is selected. Then click merge orders. In this tree view, we can see the purchase order 23 is cancelled and purchase order 24 is created. The vendor is Deco Addict and the products are corner desk right of 2 quantity, large cabinet as 3 quantity and the storage box of 1 quantity. Hope you have understood the details we presented here, and we also hope you will be benefited with this module. Do keep in touch with Odoo informative channel of Alkidma Systems to know about more such modules and features. Thanks for your time and wish you a good day.